How much should you actually spend on a camping stove? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Gas One GS3400P. Let's kick things off with the Gas One GS3400P, a dual-fuel stove that's priced at just $29.99. What caught my attention was its versatility. It can run on both butane and propane. If you want a reliable camping stove that can adapt to your fuel sources, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual fuel capability means you're not limited on your trips. If you run out of butane, you can quickly switch to propane and keep cooking. Plus, the automatic piezoelectric ignition is a lifesaver, allowing you to ignite the flame without fumbling with matches. And with over 9,000 units sold in the past month, many campers are clearly finding this useful. Now, some people complained about the stove being a bit lightweight at 3.1 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it might not feel super sturdy, this feature actually makes it incredibly portable. If you're hiking or backpacking, that weight savings really counts. This is perfect for you if you're a casual camper looking for something lightweight and easy to use. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty cooking for larger groups though. For the price, it offers great value for a reliable camping stove.
Product number 2, Gas One High Pressure Single Burner. The Gas One High Pressure Single Propane Burner. This one is designed for serious outdoor cooking, though it doesn't have a listed price yet. What's impressive is its high output design, which means you can whip up meals in no time. If you want to cook like a pro on your camping trips, this might be what you need. Here's why this matters. The 10,000 BTUs of power ensure that you won't be waiting around for your water to boil or your food to cook. Plus, the top heat guard is a thoughtful touch, preventing oil spills from ruining your camping experience. Given that over 6,000 of these have been purchased recently, it's clear people are loving it. However, a few users pointed out that it could take a bit longer to assemble than they expected. I'll be real with you. While this might be frustrating for some, the performance and durability of this burner make it worth the slight inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor chef who enjoys cooking elaborate meals while camping. Skip this if you need something ultra compact or easy to set up. For its quality, it's a solid investment for serious campers.
Product number 3, Coleman Triton 2-burner stove. Let's talk about the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane stove, priced at $83.99. This one caught my eye for its impressive 22,000 BTUs of cooking power and 2 adjustable burners. If you're looking for something that cooks quickly and efficiently, this is definitely worth a look. The dual burners mean you can cook multiple dishes at once, which is fantastic for family camping trips. The removable chrome-plated gray makes cleaning a breeze, and the wind guards help keep those flames steady, even on breezy days. With over 4,000 units sold recently, it's evident that many find it a reliable choice. On the downside, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky to carry, but honestly, if you're car camping or tailgating, that extra size comes with the benefit of cooking power and versatility. This is perfect for you if you camp with family or friends and need to prepare several meals simultaneously. Skip this if you're backpacking and need something super lightweight. For the features it provides, it's a good buy.
Product number 4, Fire Maple Fixed Star 1. The Fire Maple Fixed Star 1, which retails for $49.95. What's appealing about this stove is its compact design and efficiency. If you're a backpacker who needs something lightweight and easy to pack, this stove might be just what you're looking for. This stove boasts an amazing heat exchange technology that claims to reduce boiling times by up to 30% compared to traditional stoves. At just 18 ounces, it fits neatly into its included cooking pot, making it ultra portable. With 3,000 recent purchases, this product has garnered quite a following among outdoor enthusiasts. However, it's worth noting that the setup takes a little finesse, and it doesn't come with a fuel canister. Some users find that a bit frustrating. But if you're familiar with camping gear, this is only a small hurdle that shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a solo hiker or backpacker who needs an efficient cooking solution. Skip this if you prefer larger cooking setups or need something that's ready to go right out of the box. For its price and performance, it's a good catch.
Product number 5, Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner stove. We have the Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane stove, priced at $97.44. This stove features a push-button Insta-Start ignition system, which is super convenient. If you want a hassle-free lighting experience, this might be the one for you. What's great is that it also has dual wind guards to keep your flames steady, which is essential for outdoor cooking. The independent adjustable burners allow for precise temperature control, ensuring that nothing gets burned. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's clearly a popular choice among campers. However, a few reviews mention that it can be slightly heavier than expected. While this can be a downside for long hikes, if you're car camping, the extra weight is a fair trade-off for the extra cooking power and features. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and powerful stove for family outings. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and minimalist. For the quality and convenience, it's a solid value.
So there you have it, 5 camping stoves that cater to different needs. Whether you're a casual camper or a serious outdoor chef, there's something here for everyone. Choose that fits your style and enjoy those outdoor meals.